All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff going on this channel. Well, today we're going to be bringing a new project that's launching tomorrow. It's with one of my top 4 projects. Remember, Drip Network is in the top 4. So sometimes it's number 1, sometimes 2, 3, 4. It's almost like a round robin race, depending on the race, depending where it comes in. But Drip Network is one of my favorite projects. And we're going to be talking about Aping Avax is actually bringing Aping Drip tomorrow. This is fantastic. So we're going to go over this. It's launching tomorrow. And we're also going to kind of tell you another thing. They're also going to be launching another one we're going to talk about. So all kinds of good stuff going on in this show. Drip Network and Aping Avax is bringing in Aping Drip. I mean, I love when these projects actually do different things and stuff. The devs have doing real well with Aping Avax. I've actually liked it so far with them. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even buy some cryptocurrency and understand it and being a crypto project. Now remember, these projects, these 6-in-1s are very, very, very high risk, but they also could be very, very, very high reward. You only want to basically do what you're comfortable with. You know, if $5 you're comfortable with, throw 5 in. If $50, whatever you're comfortable with, you want to put in. All my information's for educational purposes only. I'm documenting my journey, so do all your own homework. All right, everybody, let's head over to Aping Drip. All right, so right here is Aping Avax. Take a look at this. This platform's been doing fantastic. It's got 1,042 AVAX in there. I've been in this project for a few weeks and everything. I really, really do like it. But Aping Avax is bringing us Aping Drip. Look at that. In 19 hours and 46 minutes and 7 seconds, Aping Drip is going to go live. So I actually already went today and just approved 0.1 of a drip just to see if it would approve. You have to approve the drip that you're going to want to use. Drip, it's a cryptocurrency. If you don't know, it's like BNB or it's like Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency drip. You're going to have to put the drip into this program and it's going to kick out some rewards. So let's find out the rewards that it's going to kick out. So daily, it's got a 6% daily return. APR of $21.90. There's a dev fee of 6%. I'll put my referral link at the bottom. Click in the white paper. It says Aping Drip white paper. Why Aping Drip? About it, earn, compound fee, strategy, FAQ. So here we go. Aping Drip. Says, why Aping Drip? We are a huge investor and a big believer of Drip Network. Remember, Drip's one of my top 4 projects. I just don't like that they don't hit their deadlines, but I do like the project. By design Drip as an inflationary token, we plan to solve the issue by earning up to 6% daily. Most people partake in the Drip community by joining the faucet where new tokens are minted at a rate of 1% daily. For those like ourselves, we are token holders and are investors in the token itself. By mining Drip on our platform, we're creating a value at a rate of 6% daily by mining and not creating new tokens. Aping Drip will therefore reward holders while simultaneously appreciating the value of the token itself. I wanted to bring that up. This is going to make the Drip Network actually a stronger platform because another platform, Aping Avax, is using this for Aping Drip. So now the Drip is getting used for another project, which is fantastic. Number 2, about. Aping Drip is a rich drip mine where the drip riches are endless. Drip masters hire the most powerful ape mobs to break through the grounds with brute force and relentless returns. Earn. It says earn is the mining. After all expenses for mining, you will be able to receive a 6% of your initial investments every day. Now remember, these are 6-in-1s. I'm going to go over that. I'm on the white paper right now. Referrals. Convince your friends to hire some apes and receive 6% of the total investment. I'll put my link at the bottom if you think I did a good job. And if I'm the first person bringing you this news and you do fantastic with it, use my referral. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, hit the thanks over to the right if you like that. Aping Drip. Number 4, compound. Reinvest your daily rewards to hire more apes that will indefinitely get drip out of the mines and increase your earnings exponentially. There's some fees. There's a 6% investment fee on the sale. 2% will go to owners, 2% will go to the devs, and 2% will go to marketing. There is no fee taken when you reinvest or rehire your reward. So remember, when you compound for those 6 days, there's nothing taken. Strategy, we already know what the strategy is going to be. 6 and 1, everybody. A handful of experiment drip masters develop the most profitable strategy without ever exhausting their minds. Yet, each having their own minds, they will work together as a team. They rehire the apes 6 times per week and take profits 1 time per week. Taking profits too often will exhaust your minds and therefore decrease your returns on the investment in the short and the long run. Do you have what it takes to be a drip master? Aping Drip, number 7, frequently asked questions. How does the Aping Drip work? Well, you deposit your drip on it every day and you will earn 6% of your investment amount that occurs rewards throughout the day. Please note that your ROI will decrease with each every time you claim. To keep your highest ROI of 6% daily, we encourage you to compound your rewards 6 days and claim on the 7th. You know, that 6 in 1 strategy that all these miners are doing. This mechanism is built into the contract. What is the minimum investment? No minimum. You start with a small deposit. It will take time for your rewards to start displaying on the DApp. It only has 3 decimals. Do we have any anti-mail mechanisms? Yep, the 6 in 1 will go a long way. It is not just a strategy. Furthermore, our anti-whale mechanism to ensure that the TVL consistently increases. What is the best strategy? We all know the answer to that, 6 in 1. Compound for 6, withdrawal for 1. Make an action every day. If you start getting greedy and taking too much, you'll start saving up your rewards. Your ROI will decrease. Hey, everybody, do that 6 in 1. It just makes better sense. How long will the contract pay out the rewards? As long as there's a balance in the contract, there will always be rewards. The Aping Drip, can I be too late to deposit my funds? No. The contract is written to incentivize anyone. However, the impact is just very small. If you can get in early, you should consider it at start compounding your stake. So when this launches, if you can get in right when the button hits 0, that's fantastic. But if you're watching this video a day later or 3 days later or a week later, Drip Network is a fantastic coin. Again, the way the thing is built, you can still do very well with this. Why do I lose my pending rewards when I make a new deposit? When you make a new deposit, any pending rewards automatically get reinvested. If you don't want to reinvest those rewards, we recommend you withdraw the rewards first before making any new deposits. What prevents the developers from rugging? Yeah, rugging's been an issue the last month or so. The contract is immutable and audited, meaning that once it is deployed, the developers have no access to the contract and cannot send it anything out of the wallets. Last thing, Aping Drip. They've got the official websites here. apingdrip.money, the Discord, the Telegram, the Twitter, the contract at the bottom here. All right, Aping Drip. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the little thing. They're coming out with Aping Piston. You know the Piston token? Drip Network and Piston, they're kind of competitors. Well, Aping Drip is coming out with Aping Piston in a few days. Another fantastic thing brought to you by the Aping Avax. Over here at their Twitter account, Aping Group, look what it says. Aping Group launching on the 3rd at 3 p.m. UTC. It's official. Aping Drip. So that's what we're talking about. But if I scroll down here, it says Financial Freedom Forever, Aping Out. So what do they have? They have Aping Avax that I'm already involved in. They're going to come out with the Aping Piston here in a little bit. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click over here. I'm going to link the BNB Crop Farmers, which is doing fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and link the BUSD Crop Farmers over here. This Aping Drip is going to be fantastic. It's another utility that Drip is going to be used for their ecosystem, which is fantastic. Could make the price of Drip go up a little bit. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. Do your own homework. These projects, these 6 in 1s, are high risk but high reward. You need to look at them like going to a blackjack table. You know, only be willing to invest what you're willing to lose. If you went to a blackjack table and you bet $10 a hand and you lost it, would you lose your mind over $10? Probably wouldn't. But now if you lost $200 on that hand, if it kind of rattled you a little bit, then maybe that shows you the 200 is a little bit too high. Only invest what you're willing to lose. This is crypto. This is the wild, wild west. Again, you can make a lot of money in these high-risk projects, but you can also lose a lot of money in these projects too. So the way you protect yourself is you only invest what if you lost, you wouldn't lose your sleep over. I don't know if I'm going to put 2 drips in this. I don't know if I'm going to put 5 drips in this. I don't know if I'm going to put 10 drips in this. I just know that tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and do it. Now, once I do it, I'll do another video and talk about the launch. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Aping Drip is coming tomorrow. Be there right when it launches and see if you can be in the top 10. See if you can be in the top 50. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a fantastic day.